actually heard you guys rev the crap out of your motorbike.
That's the difference between us, bro. Oh fuck, bro, there's heaps of highway here. I wanna get done right now. It's not as loud as I thought it would be. Why does it sound different? What's your phone number? 0437. We'll do a group call if you want. Bro, that thing's a dream, bro. I want that car, man. Oh, who are we following? Sick car, bro. Oh, he's fucking rolling, bro. Oh fuck. We gonna die today, motherfuckers. Hey. Simmer, yeah? You fucking... Fuck, I guess we are doing R1 today. I need to fit my plate, but fucking hell. Oh, really? That's the difference between us, bro. I'm gonna kill switch you, bro. Come here, bro. Come here. Come here. Little bitch. Are you gay? Oh, sorry, you're riding S1K. Slow people at the back, please. Hey, at the back. Hey, don't fucking. Hey, hey, hey. You fuck. You fuck. Why am I getting? Why do I feel like I'm getting pushed? You fuck up. Fuck up.
Just $10 entry.
Yeah, I got a card if I can. Oh. Fuck off, bro. You can't afford it. You're a gay bike. Fuck you.
Thank you.
You can't make pay. You fucking little bitch. You can't have $10 in your bank account, bro. Thanks, man. Oh, you fuck you. Josh, I want to say, are you Logan? Yeah, that's me, bro. Bro, it's nice. That's insane. Two Lambos, that's crazy. Fair, bro. On the sumos, bro. Sorry, boys. Don't look. Hey, they're underage. They're underage, bro. They're underage. Don't look. Hey, age is only a number, bro. Damn.
I like
that one.
I heard a fucking weird noise in my motor halfway through.
Really?
Yeah, I was like sketching out of it.
Like, it feels good knowing that I'm faster than everyone in this entire car park, bro. Why is that turbo so big? That's insane. Oh, it changes colour as well. Or metallic or something. That is nuts. These are sick. I want to vomit, man. I want to vomit. Mine just sounds better. You set up if you want, bro.
Wait. Put it in first and just like...
No, you fuck.
Fuck, the carbon looks so good.
Yeah, bro. In the light, literally looks insane. Holy fuck. Sorry, my bad. That was fucked. Let's go, bro.
Just no limit bash.
It literally said don't limit bash. Oh, sorry. Right, you bring your kid to a car show, bro. What the fuck do you expect? This way, bro. Right, whatever. This way. Oh, fuck. It's right, I'll come. It's cops up here. There's literally a highway patrol here. My plate's still flipped. Oh, fuck, bro. There's heaps of highway here. I want to get done right now. Yeah, I'm driving past one. Fuck, I'm in trouble. Oh, I don't know if he's following me. I'm just going to pull over and fix my plate. I literally just drove past one. He's not following me, is he? No, he stopped. Fuck. Bro, my plate was flipped. My plate was literally flipped. Really? Yeah, and I drove past him. Like, lucky we fucking left when we did, bro. No, that was a lie, bro. It was a lie. It scared me too. Alright, watch out. I wish my visor stayed up. Hey. Hey. Oh. What the fuck? That's sick, right? Hey. Oh. What the fuck? That's fucking sick. There, bro. That was a condom shot. Hey, bro, I don't use them, man. What? That's a cop? Fuck off. Fucking gold goes, bro. Where? What? They can see you, bro. Now they're looking at you. Oh, they saw that, bro. What's that?
That was an entry.
Yeah, bro. Wait, it wasn't us that red bombed, it was the cars, bro.
Yeah. Yeah, guys.
What's happening?
Sit down, explain to you. Can't be hanging around here in the car park.
We literally just got.
Yeah,
I
literally.
know, I just literally heard you guys rev the crap out of your motorbike. That's what brought me attention to it.
Oh, okay. Well, we're literally just gonna go in the shop. Like, we didn't mean to cause any like alarm and stuff.
If you're going to the shops, that's fine. Don't be revving the crap out of your motorbike.
100%.
Yeah.
I'm a bike person myself. So
Oh, really?
I got a Harley, so.
Oh, yeah. No, I'm kidding, I'm kidding. Yeah.
Let's sit like that. That's how we sit. Hands out.
Before you head off, do you mind just answering one question for me? See that red bike there?
Fuck off, man.
Which one looks better, the red bike or this one?
Easy, it's the blue one. Starters.
Over there?
I do like that.
I
I don't know if I like the grey. I would have kept it a bit of blue and a bit of black like there, but not the, you know,
It looks bad.
It looks weird at night, but during the day this goes like a lighter shade, and then obviously all the carbon pops out, so it looks sick during the day.
Wait, is Mikey at the survey now?
No, it's full titanium headers, full titanium, everything else is full
We gotta
titanium.
go now.
loud.
Okay, turn it on for it if you want.
Revving it, or was
Nah, let's see revving it.
No comment.
Sure, it's a 1000 cc, so it's fucking. I think it's 185 horsepower. Yeah, a bit.
You don't want any faster than that. I'm glad they're wearing the gear.
I got some of it. Yeah. These are Kev's.
I can see now riding bikes, especially the Harley guys. It's more fucking t-shirts and shorts.
Yeah, I've crashed that many times and I got fucking gravel rash at my arms and shit, so I don't. Yeah, that's alright. Shit happens.
Once you never do it again.
Literally.
I'm always wearing the leather jacket and the boots and the Kevlar jeans.
Yeah.
You don't it's not so much yourself, you know, a good rider.
It's 100% other people, yeah, for sure.
Women, the old guys, talking on their phones.
Let's see. Let's see.
Alright guys.
Alright, we'll get over here. Alright, man, have a good one. Alright, guys. She's like dead empty. Oh, it's time to fill her up. I think that's literally all for today's video. Fuck. I hope you guys enjoyed that. I thought it was a cop.